we have here is a forced single degree of freedom spring mass system. It's being driven significantly below the resonant frequency. It's being driven by a Scotch Yoke mechanism, which gives it a sinusoidal input. At very low frequencies, you see that the motion of the mass is in phase with the forcing function and has approximately the same amplitude. As the speed increases, you can see there starts to be some variation in the amplitude, a larger amplitude on your mass, and we also get a shift of the phase. Now we're approaching resonance, so the frequency we're driving at is closer and closer to the resonant frequency of the spring mass system. We're getting a much larger amplitude of motion. Here's the same spring mass system, only now we're driving at a frequency much higher than the resonant frequency. What you can see is now the mass and the driver are 180 degrees out of phase, and your amplitude is dropping off, getting closer to zero as we go closer to input frequency.